Overhead power lines are the most cost-efficient method of transmitting large quantities of electric power to consumers to date. Operable both as suspension and tension insulators, Siemens 3FL silicone long rod insulators offer decisive advantages over conventional insulators. Combining maximum electrical insulation and mechanical tensile strength with a compact, lightweight design, they combine excellent functionality and outstanding ruggedness. And they can be transported and installed simply and economically. Even in extreme weather conditions, overhead power lines, and their insulators in particular, must successfully withstand mechanical stresses, extreme climatic conditions, and moisture ingress if they are to operate effectively. The unique design of Siemens 3FL silicone long rod insulators, however, ensures highest standards of insulation and overall robustness, even under hardest service conditions. They consist of three key elements: the insulator core, the housing, and the end fittings. The core of the insulator is a high-quality ECR glass FRP rod. This core is housed in a one-piece HTV silicone housing, which is directly molded onto the FRP rod. The metal end fittings are made of extremely robust hot-dip galvanized forged steel, or cast iron. The most sensitive part of a silicone insulator is its junction zone. To minimize insulator sensitivity and further improve robustness, the HTV silicone housing of Siemens 3FL silicone long rod insulators is directly molded onto the core rod. The sensitive triple junction point, where the FRP rod, the end fittings, and the silicone housing all conjoin, is overlapped by the housing. This unique overlapping design eliminates corrosion at the junction point, which is typical with other insulators. Additional measures that usually need to be taken to seal insulators against corrosion and moisture ingress have become a thing of the past with Siemens 3FL silicone long rod insulators. Furthermore, electrical field strength and partial discharge inside the junction zone, as well as on the silicone housing surface, have been reduced to a minimum by modeling a grading ring. This reliably prevents corrosion of the insulating material and eliminates the risk of subsequent insulator failure. The 3FL is designed and manufactured in compliance with the latest applicable norms and standards, notably IEC 61109. As the world's #1 supplier of energy infrastructure products, solutions, and services, Siemens is the only integrated energy technology supplier that serves the entire energy conversion chain. And 3FL silicone long rod insulators embody this unparalleled expertise and experience.